How do you make $2.7 million in 1 year selling t-shirts with cats on them online? This guy did. Justin Cena. You're about to find out how. All right, so Justin, how the hell did you make $2.7 million in 2015 selling t-shirts with cats on it?
I'll tell you, it's actually super simple, right? You got any product, I had cats, right? You have any product, you got to match your product to your customer. So I found ways to take, these really awesome cat products. I'm a cat guy. I know what cat people want, right? I'm a cat guy.
I'm a dog guy.
I'm proud to admit it, right? I'm a proud cat guy. So, right, I wanted to go and find people that are going to buy my products. I just simply went on to some of the social networks, did a little bit of investigating, did a little bit of digging on Google to make sure that there's demand. And, we all know that there's huge demand for cats, right? Cats control the internet. So, I knew there was demand, proved the demand, and just started going out there, used a little bit of Facebook ads, super powerful right now. And all I did was, like I said, match product to customers. So I don't care if it's a cat t-shirt store, I don't care if it's a dog t-shirt store, I don't care if it's a tennis t-shirt store, whatever. You're going to match your product up to the people that build basically your ideal customer.
Okay, so the viewer here has got this idea for a product to sell online. They've been thinking about it for months or years, but they don't know where to start. What is the first step?
First step, prove the demand, right? You might think it's the best product in the world, the best niche in the world, but how do you know, right? Maybe, you and James thinks it's a great product, but maybe the rest of the internet doesn't. So you want to go prove that there's demand. Easy way to do that, the Google Keyword Planner basically tells you how many people are searching for a given term every month. So, you think you want to sell badminton shirts, you think that's going to work, and you go and find out only, 20 people search for it, then there's no demand, right? You see 100,000 people searching for it, then you know you're onto something. So that's going to be the first step. Second step, go into Facebook. See what your friends are posting about, see what's going on. Are people talking about badminton shirts? Maybe not. If they're not, then you might want to pick another niche. They're certainly talking about cats. They're certainly talking about dogs. They're certainly talking about video games. Tons of things that people are passionate about. You want to find a product that you could hook into that passion.
What's the biggest mistake that people make when they're first starting off trying to sell physical products online?
Yeah, I see this over and over, and it's lack of niche focus, right? You want to go out there and you want to build an awesome store, and you want to be the next Amazon. You want to be the next Walmart. That's not going to happen, right? When you get started, focus on one thing, just one thing. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. I started with cats. Before that, I made the mistake of trying to do a general store with everything under the sun. It's not going to happen. You need to have the focus, figure out what works, and then you can go on to the next thing. But master one thing first.
All right, so if you got a question for Justin or you got a comment, leave a comment below this video right now. And if you have someone who's been dreaming about a business, share this video with them right now, or tag them and put them on your Facebook wall. Justin's got a ton of knowledge. Where can we find more about you and learn more stuff about how to sell products online?
For sure. I'm at Justin Cener, C-E-N-E-R, on every single social network. So come friend me on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. I'm giving out free tips every single day. Super valuable stuff. Would love to interact with you guys.
Yeah, and there's a link down below. You can click on that. Make sure you leave a comment down below right now. Ask Justin a question. Follow me on Snapchat, which should be here or here or here or here. I'm not sure where it is, but follow me on Snapchat for daily videos and tips on how to live the good life. See ya. Hi, I'm James Swanwick, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out another video from me, you can just click here, and to subscribe, just click there.